Gang. Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know about Jambisco back in this bitch. You already know it's the 3rd day of the year. You don't know January 30, New Year just started. And yo, people, the one here fresh off of the computer rush. And you see, I say the one here fully, you know, man. Fully authorized, no partial authorized, no part of, bro, the one are fully authorized. You see me, I said the one are, I don't know how this became one of my most anticipated song off of the Riddim. You see me, I don't know how and when this guy became my favorite song, but the one are Nigy boy, the one named Continent. Bro, I don't know when this became my most anticipated song off the Riddim, but yeah, we here, man. This is the most anticipated song that I've been waiting on. Nigy boy, Continent, and he just drop it, bro. We have to see where dog I deal with, dog. I mean, I tell you, Nigy boy, the man deal with the beat nasty, bro. You feel me? So we jump right now, and Nigy boy, Continent video, let's get it, guys. Yeah, man, Nigy boy, bro, I know he gonna kill it, bro. I know he gonna kill it. I know people was like, yo, he blind that thing, and they feel like, bro, I know this man gonna kill this shit. Cause the preview I heard, it's crazy, man.
Them say me for easy and stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. If Solomon and
I say for easy and stay true to one queen, but all, bro, you blind and you talk like that. Jesus, dog name my queen shades and in Louis Vuitton, talk fresh no blood. Hey, Nigy boy, well, put some respect for your name, dog. Hey,
this by the dozens, then why can't I be greedy?
Yeah.
Tell me why
I don't know why this song making me so damn happy, gang. Forgive me, bro. I'm happy for the dog. Nah,
why me for off one?
Yeah. Nigy talking about
when Continental girl I take said want me for themself forever except man loose cannon me never they said when me aim for fire me target in excess. Yes.
Yo, dog better than me and you know. He dog have 2 bad bitches and he can't even see them. John was done.
Me door them beat down, relentless rotation, always in.
Funny man, I'm telling my kids this is Ray Charles, bro. Me no business. I'm telling my kids this is Ray Charles.
Effect, that's when one not act right, me step left, select the next candidate. Girl, if you want me, here I am, then you can have me.
Oh, bro, I'm happy for that, bro. I'm glad bag boss, I know me. Glad bag boss, me no business. Nigy, hey! Russian, yeah, good, you. Big up your damn self, you.
Ring is scary.
Hey, man.
So you got to share me. Say you like dark chocolate. Ooh, I'm free of cost.
Easy no woman, nice like chocolate. Free of cost. Hit them with the box, you know.
Sharing is caring. So you got to share me. Yeah. African girl are my favorite. Something about the way all them
African woman are my favorite. Yeah, dog talk. Man, and dog have us know, but man, I tell you so African woman are our favorite. We have like all type of woman, you know. You see me, we have all shades. African woman just have a special place now. Yeah, you see me? Yeah.
South American girls have a nice beat. When them dance, it coming like a earthquake hit. Antarctican girls, them ice cold, but them warm touch take me to my places.
No. I'm happy for you, dog. Dog look over like happy like picnic on the first day of school, brother. Look at the man, I like picnic on fun day.
Alien girls, them amaze me. But
fresh.
European girls drive me crazy.
Yeah.
Asian girls, them kind of facey. But the personality is like a pastry. Not American.
Asian girls is kind of facey, but the personality is kind of blood.
American girls captivate me. So be careful, them get all my life savings. But no one girl can contain me.
Look at this. My love can't live in a one girl soul.
Oh, many in line waiting. Although me not have no time sparing. Me sure me can spare for you. Girl.
Man say me know, although me not have no time sparing, you know. Me sure me can spare some for you, man. Yeah, man, me can.
If you want me, then you can have me. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me.
I'm saying no, me. Me don't want to no woman come over here and vex with me at all about from what they have no boyfriend depend the sharing and husband depend and yo, it's a song me I sing, so don't come blame me over here, bro. You see me I say, yeah man, run tune.
Say you like dark chocolate, I'm free of cost. Sharing is caring.
I like it, tune, bro. I like it, tune.
So you got to share me.
Yeah, come on, man. The man got black and white. The man got chocolate and vanilla. Man bossy. The man bossy. Yeah, man, I tell you, the man Ray Charles, you know. Yeah, man, hey, Russian, he did the dog right, man. Russian, big up your damn self, Russian. I can't see, but you make you know, show your dog have two body beside him, man. You see me, I say, yeah.
Yeah, continental girl I take set want me for themself forever except man. Loose cannon me never dead set when me aim for fire.
Man say loose cannon me never dead set, you brother. You see me when me aim for fire, you know, brother.
Me target in excess,
yeah.
Me do them beat down relentless rotation always in full if.
Man say me do them beat down relentless. Nigy, is there something you want to tell us, bro? Nigy. Man say me do a beat down. No, take me down if you soft soul. Cause if he said that, hey, remember Ray Charles was a menace, bro, and all this nigga was his feel wrist. And go so, oh, bumbuckler, bad girl, this man come true.
That's when one not act right, me step left, select the next candidate.
The man say one not act right, me step left, select the next. Nah, man. Hey! Man, I'm more leaks and no found, you know, we have no 2 years out there and say, we're not artists, you know, man. You can have me. Scary. Yeah, man, me like the one, man. Fully authorized, Jambisco authorized, the one, and free, of course. It's scary. So you are happy you're fucking that video. Hey! Nigy. School in the hey! No, man, I'm happy for the dog, yo. Fuck. Hey. Yeah, man, me enjoy the one, man. Me happy. The one now, my glad bag boss like a me. Yeah, man. Hey! I like the video, like. The video you take the rhythm. Nigy boy, you take the rhythm, bro. I don't give a damn. You see me? Yeah, man, I like the topic, the melody, so everything just yeah, like yeah. Nigy, you take the rhythm, bro. You may get it, man. The video nice and everything, song sweet and everything. You see me? The only thing me like then could make you turn up and move like still. You see me? No true you're blind, no style G, make it dog and bust a one move, man. I'm here, man, have dog sit down the whole time. Dog, the baddies though. Shout out to Russian. Russian sort out the dog proper, man. Yeah, man, that proper dog look like say, yo. Dog in Gladbach bust a while ago, my youth. Hey, you should have seen behind the scenes. Actually, I touch out Ross, brother, dog. The man couldn't see nothing but him, man, I touch your fuck. Man, I say, me can't see, but me can't hear and feel, though. Man, so when I time, I say, yo, easy. Man, I touch and guitar, you know? Well, yeah, man, big up to Nigy, bro. I'm happy for the dog, man. Song really enjoyable, bro. Me enjoy the one, man. Russian, you did your thing. You did my dog right. You did Nigy right, bro. Yeah, Nigy, me interested to hear music from you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I saw an article, on Dancehall Mag that you grew up doing music, bro. I didn't even know that, bro. And you play multiple instruments and all that, so you well talented, Nigy. You see me? Rate to that. Big man thing. Yeah, man. Song Bad Man. That I go on my playlist. People know nothing about that one day. If you like, you definitely go show the artist some love and support. You know, say Jambisco dance. Russian, you did that. You did right. Russian, I rock with you, bro. Yeah, man. Big up Nigy. Yeah, if you like, go show that some love. Nigy, I'm interested to hear more music from you, man. So keep dropping, bro. Keep dropping music, bro. You know what I'm saying? Music and music video. Keep doing your thing, bro. Yeah, big man thing. Yeah, so like you go show that some love, making us a Jambisco dance. Send you, make sure you say. Link in description this week. Join the Discord, send me music requests, all that good stuff. Let's chop it up, gang. You don't know what time it is. Till next time. It's boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself, Manisha. I love you guys. And I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector.